What's going on, YouTube? We back with another video, and today we got something special for y'all. Something I've been holding back for a long time. What the hell are you laughing at?
Who the fuck starts their channel from home, nigga?
Why you talking like that? I do.
Why
you laughing, man?
Why you talking?
Y'all laughing at my dream to become a YouTuber? Just cause y'all famous YouTubers? Don't mean I can't be a famous YouTuber. Alright, today y'all.
Why is he talking like that, bro?
Bro, can y'all support my dream so I can be a YouTuber? They laugh. See, this what happen when you trying to elevate. They laugh at you.
It's not that, bro.
They laugh. They laugh at you when you elevating.
It's the way you talking, bro.
All right, so.
All right, guys. Your words.
Shut the hell up, so I can record. All right, so today we're gonna be installing the SRT cat badge on the Hellcat 300.
Hellcat 300.
Okay, so it came with this right here, and then it came with an extended wire right here, so I can extend it, I guess. I don't know, but I'm about to go ahead, take my front bumper off, and stick this on and wire it for y'all. All right, so I got everything laid out right there. I gotta snatch the front bumper off real quick. I think that's gonna be the easiest way to do it. So I'm gonna go ahead. So to snatch the bumper off, you gotta take the clip out right here. It's a 10mm bolt behind there, and then snatch all the clips off up here, and then it's another 10mm bolt on this side, and then the front bumper come off. So I'm gonna get back with y'all when I snatch this front bumper off, y'all. All right, y'all. So I'm not gonna pull the bumper all the way off, but I detached it, but it's still attached at the bottom. So I'm gonna stick my hand through here and attach the emblem without taking the whole front bumper off. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick it through, and I'm gonna get my boy Frey to record it for y'all.
Oh fuck! But no, nigga, say no.
Stuck it through there, so I'm about to go ahead and put the bolts on there. You feel me?
Oh shit, niggas swear. Niggas is not him and shit.
I'm him. I'm him. Hemi Neutron and shit, bro. I'll be blasted. Can't see it. Here go one.
Niggas doing straight bullshit.
Bro, back the hell up.
Bro, this nigga got ass all out and shit. This nigga doing, oh my god.
Terrible. Ill man and shit, for real. I'm trying to record a car video. This nigga wanna record my ass cheeks and shit.
Nigga, I did not record your ass cheeks, nigga. I didn't go over there and shit. I like bitches and shit. I do not like
stuck in
dudes.
there and shit, for real. How I look?
That bitch low key probably look hard as hell. Then you got fog lights. That shit, all that shit gonna be bright. Your lights bright like Nick's.
Yeah, my lights bright. We got the same lights.
Oh my god, that shit too bright. And it be
Bro,
blinding.
everything I do, Nick do it right after me. Really.
So what about this SRT sign? What you gotta
This
say
the
about
only thing that I did after Nick. The only thing.
shit?
Fuck it.
Nigga did not record me. I asked to be recorded and shit.
Nigga,
I
the
can't
way
record rich niggas around here and shit.
that nigga not rich, nigga.
Wrong, rich yourself.
This nigga is a Chevy owner, nigga. Hey, the Chevy owner's broke.
What
as
you
hell.
like, Chevy or Mopar and shit?
Chevy.
Exactly.
Can't wait to get a Z06.
Nigga, he just got this bitch just to dog that bitch.
Just
you
to
hear me?
dog this bitch, you
Just to
hear me?
dog that bitch. That's why
Hey, nigga,
I
ain't nobody
had
talking
sat
to you,
that long
nigga.
just to dog that bitch. It's like, this ain't
Nigga, you dog boiled that bitch.
I did not boil that bitch.
Nigga,
I'm
Ron-
scared just to slide that bitch.
that nigga Ron slid to a tree, nigga.
Nigga, I don't boil up, nigga.
Oh my god. I forgot.
Alright. So we got a tight on her, y'all. We gotta make sure people don't just walk past and just got a Hellcat badge. We gotta make sure that don't happen.
That's some shit I'll do though. I ain't gonna lie.
Snatch they shit right off of their car and shit. We gotta make sure that don't happen and shit. For real.
Got his last gift and shit. Hear me up.
What you talking about?
Nigga stupid.
What you talking about, gang? Alright, so I'm gonna run it through here. So the wire's hidden a little bit. Alright. If you see the wire from the top, I'm gonna make sure you can't see the wire from the bottom and shit. So So
Oh, that shit too pro. You know you're not gonna see that bitch.
I gotta make sure you don't see that bit.
You gotta wire that bitch?
Yeah.
Oh shit. I never swear.
But I've been doing this shit for the longest and shit, for real. Like, all y'all follow out their dad footsteps and shit. I'm proud of my sons.
Nah. They ain't even say it right. Oh my god. That's the extension.
Yeah, this the extension wire.
Look at the bird like, damn, is that a ZL1? Like, oh my god.
That bird like, man, what the fuck? This slow ass shit. All both parts. It's like, get this weak ass shit off. Gang for the beat your ass and shit.
Alright. So we got that in there. So now we gotta find a way to. I'm gonna pull it through here.
I got all slow shit over
This
here.
bitch felt big as hell when I drove it, bro. Like,
After getting in your car.
man, like,
Yeah, that bitch feel small.
Diamond car even feel big to me.
That bitch
Cause
small.
your car is small as hell.
That
That
bitch.
bitch don't seem small. That bitch loves comfortable than that for my scat. Ain't gonna lie.
Nigga,
You gotta
what?
get used to it. Like,
That bitch is not comfortable, nigga.
that bitch is.
Nigga, that bitch is not no everyday car, nigga.
That bitch is though.
Alright, we got it ran through, y'all. So now we need a positive and a ground and shit. So I don't know how Nick did the ground, but I know how he did the positive. Positive right here. I'm about to go look under his hood and shit. Follow me, y'all.
He locked
Because
it.
his door is locked.
I need some glue.
Need
What
glue.
glue to use for my car?
See, that shit look hard from here.
Y'all know.
I'm about to call Nick real quick.
Y'all know.
Plugged it up. We got the positive right here, and then we got the ground down there. I'm gonna do some other stuff with the wire. I don't like how this red wire is just poking out. It look tacky to me. But we got the bumper halfway hanging off still. But you feel me? I ain't going there and change the colors yet. But we got the cat bass lighting up now. How y'all feel about it, man? It's hard. What color y'all think I should be keeping it?
Green.
Green. Let me see if I can get it, go on my phone and get it to change colors.
Bro, this the wire you complaining about?
Yes, it's tacky to me.
Bro, come look at this shit, bro.
Tell me this don't look tacky, y'all. I know y'all in the comments gonna be on my ass about it anyway. Tell me that don't look
What
tacky.
you gonna do with it?
Like, it's nothing you can do with this bitch, but like this. That bitch like this. But you ain't got shit to tape it with.
It look tacky.
Tape.
Well, I don't know what I don't know what I got, bro. What's this?
Shit, I don't know.
Hold on, let me look at the box. Hold on, y'all. All right, y'all. I apologize for my hands looking all messy, but we got it connected, y'all. Y'all see it's green. I'm gonna turn it to red for y'all. We got the red. Let me see what different modes it has. Let me go back. I don't like that mode. I like that mode. Frey, look at all the modes it got.
$6.54 paddock is gorgeous.
What the fuck? That shit. Knicks might got it too though. Think
I
so?
don't think Nick's got this. Cause I pay extra for this for a reason.
Bro, y'all area trash as fuck, bro. Fuck.
That's hard. I ain't gonna lie.
That shit hard as fuck. I don't see no other one like. They ain't
All right,
got
y'all.
one
Now
50.
I gotta put the bumper back on. I'll get back with y'all when I get the bumper back on, y'all. All right. All right, y'all. We got it.
Oh, yeah.
We got it on there. We got the bumper back on there. We got the Flow series flowing. How you feel about that, Ju?
Huh?
We got the Flow series flowing.
It's fucking nice.
Flowing.
Oh yeah.
You gotta get the Do they got a B one?
Yeah, they just got the SRT one. That's the one
You should
I
get
want.
you should get the SRT one. And you got my boy Frey. What the fuck one you finna get?
The SRT. I'll just put my shit in motion.
Yeah,
You finna get the ZL1? Shit. We got the big ZL1. They say SS on the back, but he lying. He a troller like Omar. Y'all see the GT500 with the GT on the back? I mean the 50. That's what he be doing. This really is ZL1, but he got an SS badge on it. He got no plates on there. You know he trolling. Don't chase and shit. For real. We got the wide body second gen. The wide body flew off, so he back at somebody for now. But we gonna help him go ahead and put another wide body kill here. You know what I'm saying? Mistakes happen. You know what I'm saying? But your bumper ain't held on with nothing. Let me see. He got the only thing he got on there is the 2 screws on the side. You might have to turn your wheel. This nigga about to manhandle that bitch. You a what? What's going on YouTube? We back with the video. We at the car wash with it. I'm gonna show y'all how it look cleaned up. We got this side wet, this side dry. But you know what I'm saying? We got the Hellcat down there poking. But we're gonna go ahead and finish drying the car off. And I'm gonna show y'all a couple clips how it look with it dry. Alright y'all, we got it all dry and looking spectacular. You know what I'm saying? Paint so wet, y'all can see myself in it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'll talk about that though. We got the always gotta bring up the red 6 pistons. That's one of my favorite pluses to the car. You know what I'm saying? And you know we got the hold on. It's glowing green and yellow right now. I can't wait to show y'all at night. I'm gonna go ahead and play with the colors for y'all. But you know what I'm saying? We supposed to be going to a car meet later on. I'm gonna link up with my boys and I'm gonna get back with y'all when we get there. Alright. We at the car meet and supposedly he was popping flames. Supposedly. He ain't do it. I would've took him on a chase.
You won't hit that bitch.
What the? Look at the flames in that bitch. You smell it? You see the flames? I smell all 85. You better stop doing that shit. I would've. He dogging his TRX. He pressing the brakes and the gas for no reason. You better stop and do a burnout in that bitch. That bitch tube. So we at the car meet. Got the Scat Cat looking clean. You know what I'm saying? We got my boy Fast Life Nick car over here. Which one y'all think look better with the badge? I'm gonna let y'all decide. We got my boy SRT Blu-ray. Blu-ray. What's the deal, man? Say what up to my YouTube.
Hey, what's up, big YouTube? What you call your fans?
You ugly as hell. Why your car so dirty, man?
Oh, it is? It's still dirty?
Yes.
Damn. My bad.
Parking that spot up there. Don't park in this mobile shit. I don't want you to get a ticket.
Where?
It's the spot right there by that Mustang. We're gonna go look at some cars, man. You always gotta do the absolute most. You got the boys posted up. We're gonna go across the street, man. Check out some cars. I'm gonna get back with y'all when we across the street. Look, Nick, the boy is right in front of Nick. I'm about to stop saying this government name. His name is Fast Life. Fast Life!
Who that bitch do? That bitch a diesel?
Imagine a TRX with that shit.
This hard right here. I ain't gonna lie.
Nah, this bitch to get sideways, nigga.
He probably got
We
a.
can feel that old
You crazy as hell, nigga.
car.
This nigga old.
We can feel
Niggas don't be knowing.
Man, I'll put.
I swear that bitch to get loose.
that bitch a Monte Carlo.
He's still. Let me get some flames, man.